ngicela ukubingelela wonke umuntu ongaphakathi. Ngibingelele kakhulu u-founder weZenzele Nathi Group, uMthobisi, for inviting us ukuthi sizo share i-information nomphakathi wala. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uMthobisi ukuthi ukwazi ukusixhumanisa nokuthi sifinyelele lapha endaweni yakho today. uMthobisi sihlangane naye eLembe eKwaDukuza. Igama lami nguZukiswa Mapete, Xhosa speaking. Senimxolele mangabe isiZulu sami singaqondile okanye ukuthi ngini-offendile mhlawumbe ngizama ukubiza igama elithize ngingasabizi ngendlela yakho. Ngiyazama bakithi. NgiwuZukiswa Mapete, ngisebenzela umnyango kahulumeni abawubiza i-Government Communication and Information System. Abathi ke uma bewutolika mhlawumbe ngesizulu umnyango wokuxhumana kwezakwahulumeni. We are a government department that is reporting to the presidency under the Minister Ukhumbuzo Ntshabeni. GCIS ke isebe elinamasebe. It's a branch and a branch within yona. We have offices in all 9 provinces. Our job is mainly to communicate government information. Is to ensure that government information reaches every South African citizen, regardless of the age, regardless ukuthi ukuphi. So esikwenzayo ukuthi asixhumane nabantu kwindawo abakuzona. Wonke umuntu abe ne-information ola equal to umuntu oseGauteng babe na same information. Iloko esikwenzayo in many things esiziphathisa oba sizenze siwumnyango kahulumeni we-GCIS. Without wasting time, ngiyayibona intsha igcwele iphume ngobuningi bayo. Sinohlelo lwahulumeni olubizwa i-G20. Naku kubrandiwe la emva kwami kuthiwa G20. Abantu abaningi in different levels, not intsha yodwa. Nabantu zawuthini in the corporate world. Banokucabanga ukuthi G20 hayi into yabo labalapha phezulu. Into yabantu abathize ezindaweni zakahulumeni abaphezulu, into yabantu abathize kulamazwe ahlangene. I-G20 yomuntu wonke. I-G20 isekelwe ekuthini ithuthukise wonke umuntu kulamazwe. Ingakumbi now that we are hosting as the African continent, mainly South Africa hosting. We are taking leyo opportunity elethwe kuthina as South Africa ukuthi sikwazi ukudikida the problems esinazo. We come with solutions into everything as affectayo, be it youth, be it economy, be it health issues, be it civil society issues. Just to simplify, ake ngiqale la. Ule bhenini ibona la emva kwami. Unale mali le. Ukhona umuntu oyaziyo le mali ukuthi imele yini igama lale mali? Uma uyazi nje uphakamisa isandla ukuthi uyayazi yini le mali igama layo bayibiza nje. Ukhona umuntu ongathi uyayazi kule site? Yimbali akasho isho dad. Yeah, when usisibonge uzakupha something wena uthi sekuthiya uyibambile udala lapha yawo pencil case. Uqinisile le mbali protein. Le mbali asiyimbali nje mhlawumbe ke efanayo nesibukthwa yimbali okuthi ikhula lesizini ethize. Lena, this is one of the strongest flowers that is South Africa has. One of the flowers South Africa noma ngabe kuthiwa isimo sezulu sinjani iyakhula under those circumstances. Ungathiwa ku-dry i-protein iyahluma iphume, ungathiwa iyana imvula the protein ihleli is-strong ne. Noma-ke mhlawumbe kuthiwa kunamimoya nani but i-protein ihlezi is-strong. So i-theme ye-South Africa hosting i-G20 isekelwe lapho lembali. I-theme yakhona ethi solidarity, equality and sustainability. Njengoba bengiqeda ukuchazela ukuthi le mbali noma isimo sithini, yebo noma kuvunguza umoya, noma kushisa kakhulu, noma kunetha, noma kungasena mvula mara fight if ngiyibeka in simple terms, ngiyibeke simple to our everyday lives. Le plant le fight in all circumstances. Ibambelele iqine ibe na that solidarity okukhulunywa ngayo apha. So i-G20 isekelwe ke kulesi siseko salembali iprotein i-theme yethu South Africa iqhamuka. Yini i-G20? Mhlawumbe nombuzo ukuthi hayi lo sisi wayikhuluma lento angayizwa kahle. Yini i-G20? I-G20 ngumhlangano wamazwe awu-20 njengoba kuthiwa G20 is global 20. I-G20 ngumhlangano walamazwe ngobuningi bawo ngingaziwaneyima ne, but o-Russia, o-America, o-Germany, o-China, amazwe maningi ahlangana kwasekwa u-G20 ngo-1999. Usekwe u-G20 ngendaba yokuthi umnotho wawa kumazwe angase-Asia ne, economic fall down bayibasho ngesingisi. So kwaze kwanzima ahlangana lamazwe athi ithini siseke strategies nama-policy azawenza ukuthi sivimbele i-cases like this. Cases such as, ngibuye ngize ebantwini bazoyi-understand. Niyibonile i-COVID iye yathikameza kanjani isimo somnotho. Abantu baluze ama-job, abantu baluze okuningi, zavalwa i-business zabantu kwavalwa nje okuningi. So i-economy yayithikamezeke njengokukhona i-COVID ukuthi i-business is closed, abantu losing job, losing opportunities and other things. Yasekelwa ekuthini ke ngoku ngaleso sikhathi kwakuwa umnotho wase on the Asia ne, ukuthi to prevent this going forward, let us have strategies in place, let us have policies ezizawu-address these issues, and also sikhulise, we grow economy and sustain. So isekelwe lapho i-G20. So i-G20 kade ihamba kulamazwe, ihlala kulamazwe. So we had an opportunity last year yokuthi i-Brazil handed over to South Africa to host. Luqalile ke uhlelo last year ngoNovember. Zaqala what we call ama-outreaches. Mhlawumbe lo ngizobuza i-outreach yini, ngihlezi ngibezwa abantu bakahulumeni bekhuluma ngama-outreach. Ama-outreach ukuthi njenganamuhla sila size kunina, we are reaching to e-communities. We are not reaching to e-communities ukuthi mhlawumbe sizonichazela njenge-G20 kuphela kuphelele lapho. Inhloso kahulumeni and the reason why sithunyelwa kulezi ndawo ezi-different ukuthi sizothula udaba lwe-G20 ukuthi yini, ukuthi also akusiyimi ozokhuluma la ngaphambili. Uma ngiqeda la sizoparticipate la njengoba sigcolela. Nisho uvo lwenu ukuthi mhlawumbe siyintsha yana sibona ukuthi singathuthuka. Useshilo umtho ukuthi intsha icwila kuziyobisi, intsha are getting pregnant, kubone i-early pregnancy stuff. Asiyini nodwa la, siningi izinto esifeyisane nentsha. Intsha iyaqeda isikolo ingatholi imisebenzi, intsha ine-certificate abakhona ukuqashwa kufuna noma experience yabo. So kuningi enibhekene nabo. So the reason sila isizathu sokuthi sibe la ukuthi sibe naloko esikubiza ngo-two-way communication. Sikhulume on behalf of government kini, nikhulume nani niveze uvo lwenu ukuthi kule indawo under i-district of Umlalazi King Cetshwayo district. Yes, nithi maybe under i-King Cetshwayo district kulona umasipala wasendaweni ethize ne mhlawumbe i-youth ingathuthuka ngohlobo, mhlawumbe i-youth ingathuthuka ukuthi senza ama-TVET amo, senza ama-college amo, senze yabona senze iy'nhlelo mhlawumbe lapho kumele khona u-apply uzo-apply, lapho kumele uyobhalisa somewhere uzoyobhalisa khona ne. So ngisacela-ke bakithi ngingazange ngabamde kakhulu, mina ngisacela nje ukuyibamba apho uma ukuthi kunama-questions kunama-clarity, ninga-expect ukuthi ngizawuba na every answer. I'm not the decision maker. I'm a government employee ethunyiwe ukuthi ithi ngizoshare i-information. Yes, wabuze nama-questions wenu mara mhlawumbe okuthize angizukuba ne-answer yabo mina at my level and understand. Ingakho silapha because we are siyacosha konke lokho enikubuzayo and then we channel it to the relevant people. But ke ungathi mangithi ke mhlawumbe ayilena ngoba kunaloko kuthiwa kwa-government yini i-protocol, kuthiwa yini konje ngesizulu protocol. Ngeke ukhulume endaweni, thina ngiyibekele kahle, ngeke ukhulume ufike endaweni mhlawumbe unkosi walapha ekhona ukhulume wena before yena uyangi-understand okanye ukhulumela yena andithi kuba nothize okhulumayo kulo ndawo. So kunokuthize ke mhlawumbe uzawuphuma ukubuza ngingaku-adresi konke ne ngoba ke kunama-protocol esiwalandelayo. Ngisacela to pause from there ne ngiphoza nje ngicela ukuthi uma ukhona ofuna mhlawumbe ukubuza question nofuna ukucacisela okuthize baphakamise nje izandla, ngicela eziwu-5 uma zikhona kuqala ne with the help yaba ama-microphone. One. Sikhona sinye sikhona la. Sikhona isandla sikhona la sikho. Asikho isandla. Or going once, going twice, gone ne? Okay, ngicela ukuthi uzokhona ukukhulumela phezulu. Oh, wabhuti lo ngizotest ukuthi benilalele nyani. Ngizotest ukuthi benilalele njani. Oh noma niyazibuza ukuthi uqeda nini lo yasesambe. Ngizonitest ukuthi benilalele nyani. What it was like the mind. Technology enkulu ne ngesikhathi esajonga iquestion yakhe la kuyo yona nalo G20 kunehlelo siyapartnerisha ama many government departments ne government department abayibiza Department of Fisheries, Forestry and Environment. They are also doing outreaches throughout the country with aquamarine programs, guys. Ukuthi mhlawumbe omuzwa ukuzibaya yini.
Njena ngibonge nabaka G20 ngefushini sineze yona. Lo igaba ngolungelo ababeyela ifunda SPU eNorthern Cape. Kahle kahle umbuzo wami la Siswalo. We have seen abantu abasha beba nama NPO and nama MPCs akho. So bengifisa ukuthola ukuthi iG20 khona indlela yokwekha in collaboration with abantu abanama NPOs ukuthi nama NPOs abe gcine international. Yeah, maybe no.
Okay, because when I went to our question, no, yes, there is an opportunity. Like if in my presentation, I said it's a pity we cannot take these heads of states to every area of the country. However, these are the programs of government. Let us showcase even the NPOs like who are you part of Zenzalenat, or you have your separate one? Yes, these are the things of let us showcase in the communities and the impact. One of the impact that Zenzalenat has done. The impact. Sometimes the impact today, you by being here, I'm sure out of the 100 and something that is here, oyedwa mhlawumbe kukhona akuzwile futhi wakuzwisisisa ne wabona ukuthi lo kuzamsebenzela okanye abawu5 ukhona ozwile wathi yabona these are the channels mhlawumbe okanye for me to be channeled kumele ngixhumane lapha kumele ngixhumane nalelisebe ngixhumane naleya. Yes, NPOs are part of remember kule G20 mhlawumbe just to simplify inama elements. There's what you call business trade. It's discussing, it's within the G20 bakithi ingane ze G20 ne u-G20 ubaba wakhona kube namahlume lakhona. There's what you call business trade. Business related, including your NPO information. There's what you call C20, that is discussing civil and social issues and everything that affects the community and others. So what you're asking about NPO is on that level of the business trade. Those are the things that affect how do we help these young ones who are not getting any form of income to elevate their businesses. Ngiphinde kwakhona going once, no question. Anyenzelanga ukuthi be yi-question, mhlawumbe ungane suggestion. Mara uma ngekhona ifuna ukubuza ngithi nikhulume ngafuna ukukhuluma. Going once, going twice, gone. In 5 minutes, Chairperson, but it's cut. In 5 minutes, Chairperson, it turns out the person would be there. Then check them out, fellow, then
our GCIS.
GCIS, Government Communication and Information System. Then it says I will manage those other.
If ever ufuna ukufundela into ethinta emayelana nokufunda imicimbi yokusebenza emanzini kanjalo sefuthi iyalekelela i-G20.
Oh, okay, ulalele isebenza Mpumalanga. Okay, these gatherings, gatherings zokudlala mhlawumbe nizobona the exercise that I was doing now with the questions, ne? On a serious note, as inja, Sicela, you must take serious what government is bringing to you. Not all of you are fortunate to be many gatherings like this, ne? Information here, very far from you, mhlawumbe ingafinyeleli. Abanye abantu baye bathi no, but thina asizitholi lezinto siziva way after senzakele. Please take serious of what government is doing and what is bringing. Government cannot bring, I know singabantu, sometimes sifuna government asilethele ukudla, sometimes sifuna government asilethele imali. Knowledge is the best money that you can get. Knowledge is the best food that you can get. Out of that knowledge, you can make millions. You can start at your backyard, ne? Lapha emuva esitiyeni sawakho. Uqale nje kancane amaplot awu3, utshalile uklabishi, utshalile ucarrot. Uqale uthengisele yena umakhelwane, uthengisele nomunye umakhelwane. Ikhulu ibhizinisi kanjalo ungasathengisela umakhelwane, uzuxhumane noShoprite ukuthi hayi nginengadi nginocarrot noklabishi omninzi, ngicela ukunisuppliela, ne? Let us take information very seriously. Masiye ukujonga, yes, angithi abantu bangakufuna ukudla, bangakufuna ukuthize, ne? I-information ibalulekile, and i-information elethwa kunina esemqoka ukuthi ivulela ama-opportunities nina. I-G20 is here in Africa, South Africa hosting, and we expect ukuthi after November, the economic well-being of South Africa and the African continent i-escalate ibe kwenye level. Abantu basePhongolo basho very amaphuzu abaluleke kakhulu. Besithi even our education system in South Africa is very poor, ne? Benginenzela umzekelo njengale yaseChina ukuthi ingane zaseChina sizibona zila. Abantu baseChina, yabo, Samsung ngabantu baseChina. Asiwathenga ama-Samsung ngibaza la endlela ukuthi bangaphaya banama-Samsung. I'm sure majority la uno-Samsung, yabo. Sibona ngathi mhlawumbe benza ama-miracles, abenza ngama-miracles, ne? Babeka bayahlala bacubungule kahle ukuthi sisawenza njani. Ingakho ke ngokusithi kule G20 share the experiences nathi. Share uba how do you do it. Ingapheli lapho ushare, ne? Come invest, come develop the youth skills, come develop, create economic opportunities, ne? Yes. So ngiyanicela uma kuthiwa kune-information, noma i-information engabe isuke ABSA, ungathi hayi mina akho sidingo sokuthi ngiyovula u-ABSA nginamali engenayo. I-information is very critical. Uhambe uyobuza lapha kula USAID, ungathi hayi kuthiwa makwenziwa ama-test we-HIV kuphela lapha, awazi ukuthi yini engasiza mhlawumbe a person next to you. Nawe you make a difference in your community. The information oyicosha la uzawusiza omunye ongakhanga wazi ukufikelela la, okanye umakhelwane, okanye a friend who has been suffering or ABCD. Wena ngendaba yokuthi you got information here, you are empowered. Uhambe ukwazi ukuthi wenzane ushintsho nawe, be the ambassador. Iba yisithunywa nawe emphakathini wakho. Nge-information omane uyithola, share and develop one another. Share and change the lives of people around you. Share and change the lives of the youth. As a youth, encourage one another, guys, in doing good. Encourage yazi kunokuthiza babekusho othisha esikolweni. Bathi lezi zinto enisijahaya zibaleki. Yenza funda babeze bathi kanje, just in simple words, bathi amakhwenkwe awabaleki. Babesho njalo. Amakhwenkwe abafana, amXhosa speaking solo. Bathi abafana babaleki. Lento enijaha lapha khona nisezayifumana namasa ususu usebenza usuqedile ukufunda usuziphilela nje kahle na usezawufika abafana bekhona bapheli. So develop one another as young people, ne? Help one another, find ways. Just because siyintsha emphakathini, ne? There are so many things ezisi-affectayo. Singazi-addressa njani, iqale kunina, yes. Make your parents proud, make the person ongomunye proud as intsha, and ibe kunina ukuthi you change the world you're living in. Thank you very much.
Siyabonga kwi-representatives ze-G20. I hope sizwile sonke. Sizwile into esiyifumana lana. Asizuyishiya efonini, mhlawumbe uthatha amanothi efonini, uzoyithatha uyivule, uyisebenzisa ngithi. Yes, please. Manje sizoba ne-entertainment because asiselanga lana uzokunika nje information kuphela. Sifuna nani ukuthi ni-enjoy, you know. So sizoba ne-performance, but before i-performance iqale, obana bano TikTok. Nonke, okay, sina nje abawu-3 baphakame, babheke lapha emnyango, bakhiphe ifoni, bafote, bathathe i-reel and do hashtag Zenzele. Lathi hashtag G20. Just 3. Ukuze nawe